Welcome to Coastal RV Center in Ravenel, South Carolina. We're looking at a Roadtrek Zion. This is a Zion SRT. What that means is this RV is 14-inch shorter, and all that length comes out of the rear of the standard size Roadtreks. This Zion SRT comes with a forward-facing couch, Laguna table, some graphite gray, couch lays flat, and you have a king-side bed sleeping side to side. Plenty of overhead storage. Large cabinet for hanging clothes. Induction cooktop. Solid surface counters. Leather seats. Nice spacious bathroom for both the toilet and the shower. Please visit us today, Coastal RV Center in Ravenel, South Carolina. Have a great day.